Hey guys, I got sent over a cordless leaf blower and I really need it. So we're gonna get it opened up, see what we get in the box, and then we're gonna try it out. Stick around. Two 21 volt batteries. Charger, handle, and our blower itself. And it does have a instruction manual here. I've never owned a leaf blower quite made like this one, so I don't know what to expect power-wise. Has a little notch in the plastic down here and a little tip right there that goes into that notch. Like that. Take this, slide it up. Pretty cool looking. Hopefully we got some power in these batteries to give it a try. Ooh. That might be pretty good. I'm gonna move that camera around so you can kind of see what we're doing, and we'll see how well it works. Seems like it has a variable trigger on it. That's a little bit. I don't know if you can hear that or not. It doesn't have a selector on it, it's just got the trigger. Seems like it's doing a really good job. Now I've got a lot of gravel and stuff, little pea gravel from the driveway. I'm just kind of curious if this thing's got enough power to blow the gravel off. Looks like it's blowing that gravel pretty good. Okay, I was just looking at the user manual here, and it says speed levels, infinite speed regulation. I guess that's that variable trigger. You can squeeze it a little bit and it'll go low, squeeze it real hard and it'll go faster. Air volume 520 CFM. We know it's good enough to blow gravel off the driveway, that's for sure. Well, there you have it. Really nice blower. The only issue I have is that trigger. The longer you hold it, your finger starts getting tired. But that's going to be the case with most any device like this. I wished it had a trigger lock. That would be nice if you could just squeeze it and then push a little button to lock that trigger into place. That would be my one suggestion for it. Other than that, I got no complaints. Just the right length, and it's got plenty of wind power to clean off the porch, the driveway, sidewalk. 21 volt battery, that should last you a pretty good while. As you saw, straight out of the box, the one did 90% of what I needed to do, then it went dead. But it was straight out of the box, I hadn't charged it at all. I just realized I forgot to put the handle on there, so I'm adding this clip back in. If you want to put that handle on there, you can. You just unscrewed the big knob. There's a little nut on this side. Pop it on that bar, and there you go. You could hold it like that if you wanted to, but to me, that would be a little uncomfortable, but depends. It's an optional piece. It's easier just to do it like that, in my opinion. But it's an option. It does have the handle. There you have it. Really nice blower. I like it. If you'd like to get one of these for yourself, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. No complaints at all on it, other than I wished it had a trigger lock. That would be it. Great tool. Got a nice grip on it, by the way. I like that grip. It's not all plastic. It kind of got a rubbery grip right there, so no slipping. Yep, I like it. Hey, I am Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases like this that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.